How to do a freeze frame snapshot effect in CapCut. So if you want to do a freeze frame snapshot effect in CapCut, then first you need to open up your CapCut application and select the video that you would like to freeze frame. So go for the new project. And once you're with your video, you just need to select the part of the video where you would like to add snapshot effect. For example, select the video. Once you've selected, you need to go with the effects, which is here on the bottom. Under effects, go for the video effects. Under video effects, now you need to search for an effect of camera. So you just need to simply choose the video effect of camera focus. So simply select the camera focus and then go with the tick option, which is here in the upper right, and here you will have the camera focus effect, right? So you just need to simply make sure that you've added the camera focus to the entire clip, delete the ending, and here you will have your camera focus effect, right? So what you need to do is select the video. Once you've selected, now you just need to simply select a part and go for the bottom. Under bottom here you will have the effects option, right? You may have effects option. Simply go with the effects or filters. Simply tap on filters. Under filters you need to select a filter. For example, I'll be choosing black and white filter. So to use the black and white filter, you just need to simply go with the mono option. Under mono here you will have the black and white effect. So for example, I'll be choosing an effect tunnel. Once you've chosen, now go for the tick, which is here on the upper right, and if you play the video, then you will have the effect, right? So now what you need to do is you just need to simply add a voice. So what you need to do is simply select the video and go for the bottom, or you can simply go for add audio. Under add audio here on the bottom you will have sounds. So go for the sound, search for a sound. You need to go for the search bar and search for camera click sound or camera shutter sound, anything that you are comfortable with. So I'll be choosing camera shutter and then simply download the audio. Once you've downloaded, now you need to simply go with the plus icon, which is on the right side. Once you go for the plus here, you need to adjust the camera shutter sound. So I'll be choosing the front part only, so I'll be deleting the last part. And here you need to adjust the audio to the particular video part, and if you play the video now, then you will have this kind of interface. You can again view the video. So that's how you can do a freeze frame snapshot effect in CapCut. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.